Alright, John's Juke is back in the shop, and today the upgrades that we did was we installed a Flow Series Halo LED light bar from Lighting Trendz. And so I welded up a little bracket to hold that guy, which is this cool steel guy right in there, and then also welded up brackets to hold those horns so that they're still visible. And previously we had opened this area up so they can actually see inside. These are the gators that had been previously built by myself. He built and blacked out his headlights, and those have demon eyes in them. And then he also did this super sweet projector retrofit down in his fog lights, which also have demon eyes in them. Alright, so we got some things turned on now. Demon eyes we have on a nice red color, kind of like a little magenta, blue demon eyes up in the headlights. Got the two-tone going on up north here. We got a little purple, a little lilac action, some seafoam green. And then over here, we're rocking that Flow Series, so that is just a multicolor slow chase pattern. So that allows me to sort of, take pictures of it, which is pretty groovy looking. Quite the festival of lights going on this vehicle now. This is the creme de la John mode. This is our grand finale here, showcasing all sorts of different things. These fog lights, we got them on like the police mode right now. We got the demon eyes on the headlights are on the soft fade green, and then the top gator lights on. We got the red and blue strobe action, as well as our LED light bar is on the full color chase, so doing full RGB action there. And also one thing that I wanted to showcase on that is that it is still a fully functional light bar, and it is obnoxiously bright. It's not diode dynamics bright, but it will definitely get the job done, and that's pretty cool. So this is the ridiculous install of the night. This is 13 to Superior Mobile. Have yourselves a wonderful evening. Ho, 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 ho! That's what I got. That's some Christmas-ass action right here.